Hello and welcome to another video. Today we're going to be showing you how to remove the tail lights from a Renault Koleos XZG and how to replace the bulbs. Starting with our outer tail lights, when you open the boot, on either side there will be little covers, and then beneath the covers, first we are going to unplug the tail light. With a clip remover, you can remove it completely, or you can pull it down and it will detach. And then press on to the detaching clip and then unplug the tail light and then push that part inside. Next, there will be two circular holes, and then in these there will be 8mm nuts. And once you remove these nuts, there's only locators that hold the mirror in place and in position. Using a plastic tool, do not use a flathead middle screwdriver as you can crack the lens or you can damage the body of the vehicle. Get in between the tail light and the body and just patiently, be very careful. The tail light should slot out of position. Please don't forget to like, comment and most importantly subscribe to support the channel. Changing the bulbs, you first turn anti-clockwise and then you'll have access to the bulb, which you push and turn again anti-clockwise, and then it will come right out. And then putting the new one in, make sure they align, push in and then turn it clockwise to lock, and then put it back into position. And you can do the same thing for the other bulb if you need to change. For the tail light on the tailgate, when you open the boot, all the way to the bottom there will be a little cover. Remove this cover and underneath there will be one torx screw. After you remove this torx screw, there's only clips that hold this panel in place. You need to remove this panel in order to get to the bolts that are beneath that hold the tail light on the tailgate in place. As you can see, these are all clips. Unclip, and then with a little bit of force, not too much, it will come off quite easily. And then unplug the tail light, and then again 8mm. This is the same for both sides, left or right. Once you unbolt these nuts, there are two more that are on the outside over here that hold the tail light in place, and then it will come right out as there is no locators on these inner tail lights. Just a tip, if there's any clips left on the body of the tailgate, take them off and put them in onto the trim, as it's easier to refit because it slides in on this side and then it's just more of a push on when putting it back. Thank you for watching. I hope you have found this video helpful. Please don't forget to like, comment and most importantly subscribe to support the channel, and we will see you in our upcoming videos.